somebody's kept this open, so we might just make it. The Rock Hill. I'm just making stuff up as I go along here. We have a pretty major river crossing here.
That's the jack pine. Was it deeper?
Well, we gotta take a look at it. It looks like there's a roundabout. The bridge is gone. The bridge is still there. Wait till you see it. Ha!
Got a couple of trees and go down.
No, we should be okay. Just stay on the, don't put that bolt through your tire, but stay right next to it. All right, here we go. Gotta stay on the beams. Yeah, baby. No problem. All right, fail is not an option here. The trails become almost non-existent here, but we're so close. Yeah.
This might make it a little easier to surface.
Okay. So I just got thrown off the back of the bike. That's a steep hill. We're gonna have to winch up here. Okay. And we're here. We're here. We made it to the dam. Oh, what a journey to come to an unknown dam. Check this thing out. It used to hold back a lot of water. Wow, the spillway. Try not to fall down the cliff here. Oh yeah. We made it. Whew. Right. So this used to be all dammed up to this level. Another 12 feet of water. This used to be a big deep lake through here. Very cool. Doesn't turn anymore. All right, I'm up on the old dam. I won't be stepping on any timbers around here. You got the old block here for they put the timbers down with the rollers and a winch. Winch those timbers down and they can dam this sucker right up. Looks like they had a walkway going across there at one time. Pretty cool, very cool. And then you look right up here, it almost looks like they cut that out perfectly. Little box canyon, and then there's a lake up there. Some really old timbers. A spillway. They could drop blocks there or wood in there too and block it off. Now it's time to try and climb back without falling down. Lucky for these bolts that are here. I think I'm okay. Right on. And this is the abandoned dam that we did all that effort to get up here. You can see how they used it's probably 3x6 wood planks to form this thing. And then it looks like almost 4x8 sheets of plywood there, but that was done by timbers. Cool. No date anywhere on this thing though, I haven't seen any. So it's really old though.
Looks like the trail goes up to the left.
Yeah, the road does that over there. Insulator. Oh, that looks like steel, just steel wire. I thought there was something printed on the bottom or stamped on the bottom, but it's gone now. That run might be to their little power shack or something. Just gonna go down and see where the other end of this little road goes. Might have been their little power line or something. That's where we came from. Oh yeah, little power shack there, yeah. Or an outhouse. Ted was here in 2016. Yeah, looks like a little outhouse. That's definitely their outhouse. Huh. Still continues on here. Some more wood up here. There we go. Old log cabin. Very cool. Very cool. Roof's all caved in. Brad 92. This is old. Dam is old. Awesome. I like old stuff like this you find in the bush. Very cool. And they came up here, service the dam, or we're letting water in and blocking it off on the dam. They probably lived here. That's why the power coming down from the dam. Found that insulator and the wire. Nice.